Yeah, welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. Welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. Now, you know, guys, my name is Teoluckzboom, and I do dance tutorials and dance challenges for you guys to see. And this is a trending song requested by many viewers, Golden by Huntrix. Yeah, really by Huntrix. Lately, I've been diving on this trendy songs and to give you guys the tutorials and also that. Now, let's dive right into the video. In case you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, like the video, and share it to your friends and family. Comment your name. Let's just get right into the video. I'll see you in my next screen. Now, the first step we need is to tutorial. First step we need challenges. So it's put your two legs together. Remember, this video is mirrored. You put two legs together like this. You go down, cross your hands like this. So it's once you're in this posture, we going up. I think, guys. So you together like this. Then we going up, come down. You go up like a phoenix. So it's like a bird. Going up. The next one is raise up one leg and one arm upward to the side. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up with that. Let's see, guys. We're going up with that. Let's see, guys. Let's go together. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up with that. 5. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up without a fight. I think, guys. We're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up without a fight. Okay. Let's get forward then. The rock is coming. Let me start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up without a fight. Ain't up money nobody. Let's go, guys. Again from start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We going up without a fight. Ain't up money nobody. I think, guys. Let's go. 5. Again from start. 5, 6, 5, 6. So it's down, go up, drop. 1, 2. Sorry. Second one is your legs going to the side. So it's 1, 2. And use legs to push it up to the other side. Once you let legs to the other side, your leg will not come forward. And you're not facing like this. So it's then drop it. Top and leg move to the other side. Then do like this. Throw your leg to the side. Come down. Let's go from the start. 5, 6. In case you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, can you subscribe down below? Like this video, guys. Subscribe for me, like this video, guys, and let's keep up dancing. Let's go. So it's once you do next step is so it's something like this. 1, 2, 3. We going up without a fight. Baby, you under the party. You under the party. You turn, once you go down, turn your hands up like this. You put it in your legs. Like this, guys. Once turn around like this. Put it in your leg like this. You go down. So that's the next step. So after you do this one. Drop. You turn, push, turn your hand, then your leg like this. Once you're in the position, guys, next to do this too. Do an upwards like this. Up. So like this. Together. Up. Okay, guys, from this place, once you ride your leg like this, push, go to this side, come forward. You turn like this, go to this side, drop your leg back. So it's up. Let me just show you guys what to do. Let me just show you guys to try. Something like this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Going up, up with that 5, 5, 20 when I'm in the party. 20 in the party. Oh. I think, guys. So it's once you do like this, you kick, go forward, turn, drop, you turn to this side, you do 1, 2. So it's to this side, you do, go for this side, 1, 2, you drop, balance again, you turn, you put your hands like this. Once you put your hands like this, let's do this to do, close your hands, 1, 2, up, drop. Let's go to this point, from the start up to this point, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we going up with that, 5, baby, I'm in the party, baby, I'm in the party, up with that. Sing, guys. So you just have to follow the music, guys. All you have to do is to follow the sound, follow the music. Let's go. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up with that, 5. Even in the party, up with that. So once you do your hands down like this, next to this, do like cross to your side, drop. I feel you guys. You are getting me. Let's go. You cross your side, you drop. Then you open to this side, fold your hands. That's how I went to tutorial, guys. This will be part 1 of the dance tutorial. In case you want part 2, just let me know in the comment section. Let's go from the start one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Going up with that. Going on in the turn. Up with that. I think, guys, that is the dance tutorial, guys, for going by Huntrix. Actually, this part is Roomy's part. It's not Zoe or the other. This one is Roomy's part. I think the other have not entered by now. Yeah, they've not entered the stage by now. If you guys have watched the movie, you guys know that this is just the part where Roomy's they want to expose actually. But this is, I love this part of the dance, guys. So guys, let's do this dance one more time. Let's do the fast pace and slow pace. Let's do the slow pace once for the fast pace. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We going up with that a fight. Baby, you're coming to die. Baby, you're coming to cry. Oh. Up, without a fight, down. Baby, you're coming to party. Baby, you're coming to party. Oh, so guys, that's in slow-mo. Now let's make it faster beat. Let's do the fast beat for those of you that are passionate with me. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6. We going up without the fight. Girl, ain't no fun in the party. Ain't no fun in the party. Up without the fight. Ain't no fun in the party. Oh. So guys, that's tutorial in fast pace. In case you watch up to this extent, kindly drop your name in the comment section. Like this video down. Share it to your friends. Comment any more tutorials you want me to do in the comment section. Drop it, guys. I'll do it for you guys. Just comment the tutorial's name, the dance name, and I'll do it for you guys. Don't forget to watch the videos over here. In case you watch my videos and do these challenges, you do these tutorials, make your own video about it. Kindly tag #Teoluckzboom in your video. And guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial. We're going up.